Hey again. So it's been a while since I made a video, and today I thought, oh, actually, I've been wanting to try something for a while, and I got these Nike Dunk Snakeskin. It's not really a popular colorway, but anyway, what I wanted to try is to see how they will look with a little bit of a H look, which is very popular nowadays. I already threw on some coffee color laces. Yeah, we'll give it a try. I guess for this, all you really need is a bucket and paint a lot, so there's paint already there. Hopefully it doesn't affect how it turns out. A bucket, of course the shoes that you want to dye, and I don't know if you really care. I really like the shoes, but for me it's also try and error, so we'll see what happens. I don't fill up the whole thing all the way because I just want the soles and not the entire shoe for now. So now we see how far is it. I do know that there has been other videos made about H-soled and vintage and whatnot, but particularly with these shoes, not yet. So let's test out and see how far the water is. I think that's about right. It's not what I wanted. Probably a big question is how much coffee to put into the water to do this. 1, 2 big spoons. Maybe I should just throw in a third one. 2.5 big spoons, but now that we have the coffee in, something that I didn't think about earlier is to put something so that the shoe can be held at the bottom, so you don't have to hold them the whole hour or so, or as long as you want to put it. Maybe you don't want to do it for a whole day. We'll just see for how long I leave it in there. Okay, probably at the end of the day there would not just be H soles, but half of the shoe will be H, I guess. So it's already nighttime, and now after 2 hours or so, maybe 3, we can finally take them out. Oh. Oh. They look really nice already. So I don't know if you can tell the difference between the white here and the cream color, but they look really cool. I think I will take out the laces and then I will just dip them completely. Gonna pour one more little scoop of coffee. Whoops. One more spoon of coffee. Okay, there we go. Now we pour the whole thing in and we see what happens in the next 2 hours or so. So after about maybe 6 hours, 7 hours dipped in the coffee, this is how they turn out. Something that I do want to point out is that it's really hard for the camera to pick this up, but the color overall of the shoe has become more dull. I left some of the parts that got stained with the coffee. I threw on cream sail laces. Even the swoosh here, it's no longer this vibrant pink. Snakeskin looks also very amazing. It has some hints of brownish in the sole. Overall, I really like how they turn out, and would I recommend this? Depends. As I said in another video where I do try out to wash some shoes in the washing machine, this is also one of those things that if you really like the shoe, maybe don't do it. It really depends on what you're going for and what shoe you want to try it with. Of course, this is the first time that I try with any of my shoes, and so something that I have thought about is dip this in coffee as well. I really like how they look already, but of course, just something to try so you don't really have to do it yourself. I saw that there was a guy that already did like a vintage look to this shoe, but not dipped in coffee. At least I don't think so. Let's do the thumbnail.